As we are reminded as we walk through the fields out here in Pickles Ranch in Lago Vista, we're getting the field ready for planting. We're getting it here. We made our rows already. We changed everything out. It's going to be all onions. This particular area is going to have the purple onion. Further up north, another 1,000 acres away from here, we're going to have the yellow onions and also the white. We get around and you gotta appreciate Mother Nature as it is. We're here in the month of October and we're getting over a major hurricane that hit in Florida. We were spared. We're here in Texas. We're in Central Texas, but we were spared. That was a very, very strong hurricane. I believe it was already a Category 5 when it went into land at Fort Myers, Florida. Cape Coral also. All that area was devastated pretty bad. Oh, here in Texas, we pretty much live blessed. We don't have those type of hurricanes over here. My gosh. Anyways, looked like rain, but it was drizzling, light drizzle this morning. It's not doing it now. We used to have a canal here full of water, but it seems to have dried up. But still, I love the ranch land. As a kid, I used to help my grandfather tend to his ranch, and I love being on top of the tractors and stuff like that. And I was able to learn how to do most of the agricultural work as a kid. But of course, my life was turned around, and I started working for the government. So after working for the government, that I retired, I came back to my natural habitat, the ranch area. I like being a farmer. I like being around quiet areas, not the bustling city, having a city mileage. I have a little bit of city mileage on me, but I got more of a ranch mileage on me. Getting kind of late already, but we're doing okay. We're in the process of planting the onions. They should be ready hopefully by if the weather cooperates. I mean, I'm sure we're going to get cold weather within December, January, and maybe even February. But by the month of March of next year, we should start picking up these onions that we're going to plant here. Hopefully it'll do us good. In other years, it had rained in the past, and half of our onions had drowned pretty much. The excess water, but now I think we're gonna be doing okay. I'm gonna head back to the truck and check out another place, but it's probably gonna get too dark already for me to be filming. So we'll see you on the next video. Anyways, y'all have a lovely weekend. Today's Friday, October the 7th, I believe. Yes, Friday, October the 7th. For all of you out there in the world, I think there's still COVID out there somewhere. So y'all be careful, and y'all have a safe weekend. And God bless not just America, but the whole world.